Congratulations on your decision to purchase a no-touch cleaning machine from Kaivac, the originator and leader in no-touch cleaning. We believe that you've made a smart choice. No other cleaning system provides the comprehensive features, tools, and training needed to achieve clean, healthy buildings at the lowest possible cost. The purpose of this video is to ensure that you get off to a successful start with your new system. Before we start, if you haven't done so already, make sure to fill out your registration form located in the user manual before proceeding. You can also do this through Kaivac's website at www.kaivac.com. If you have a Kaivac 1250, one of the first things you'll notice is a large capacity heavy-duty tote bag that is perfect for carrying tools such as the blow hose and nozzle. It can also be used for carrying supplies. In fact, it can hold up to 24 rolls of standard toilet paper. Many customers keep this with them on the machine by hanging it from the side horn. Also, if this is the first time you've used your new Kaivac, there's one simple assembly step needed before operation. For shipping purposes, the vac motor intake hose and the vac tank connector are not attached. So before we continue, you will need to attach the vac tank connector to the upper vac tank port and attach the vac motor intake hose to the connector. By the way, there are also illustrated setup instructions in your operator's manual that cover many of the processes in this video. The Kaivac 1200 series is available in two models, the 1215 and 1250. The 1250 is equipped with a 500 psi indoor pressure washer, a Hobbs meter for tracking hours of usage, an onboard chemical valve, and a number of accessories. The 1215 is equipped with a 150 psi indoor pressure washer and an inline chemical valve. Both systems include a powerful 3-stage vacuum system, HEPA filtration, and Kaivac's innovative black box technology. Now let's take a look around your new Kaivac, starting on the right side. First, there's the water tank. This is where the fresh water that is used in cleaning is stored. This tank is filled through the black removable fill port facing the front of the machine. For ultimate convenience, the Kaivac 1250 also includes a built-in extendable fill hose that can easily be pulled out from the fill port and connected to a water source. Next, there's the vacuum tank, sometimes called the recovery tank. This is where the dirty, contaminated water is contained once it's vacuumed up. There are some tools and accessories stored in this tank when it's shipped from the factory. If you've not done so already, please remove these items by lifting the black gallon bottle holder from the opening. This opening is also the cleanout port for rinsing and cleaning the vacuum tank. Next, we see the electrical cord with a built-in ground fault circuit interrupter, or GFCI for short. Finally, if you have a Kaivac 1250, on the side of the machine is the deck brush and holder. If you haven't already, now is a good time to attach the brush head to the telescopic handle and then place it in the holder. Moving to the left side of the machine, we can see the pressure hose and spray gun used for applying chemicals and for blast rinsing with the indoor pressure washer. At the end of the pressure hose is a shutoff valve and a quick connect fitting. Make sure the shutoff valve is in the off position when connecting or disconnecting the gun. From the top, we see the recessed insert where a 1-gallon chemical jug is placed. The opening under the insert serves as the cleanout port for sanitizing and rinsing the vacuum recovery tank. The accessories included with the Kaivac 1250 and optional with the 1215 can be stored in the clamps on either side of the chemical holder. Next, there's the vac motor intake hose that we installed earlier in this video and two 1-quart chemical bottle holders. Now, looking at the back of the machine, you'll see Kaivac's unique removable black box engine compartment that houses mechanical parts such as the pump, vac motor, electrical switches, and HEPA filter. At the top of the black box is the electrical switch box where the pump and vacuum are turned on and off. On the Kaivac 1250, there is also a Hobbs meter for tracking hours of usage. On the side of the black box is the chamber where the removable HEPA filter is stored. This chamber also includes a port where the blow hose is attached when high dusting or blow drying. When service or repair is needed, The removal of 4 simple thumb screws makes it easy to open this compact box to access the mechanical components. Then, to remove the box, simply unscrew the 2 thumb screw clamps from the water and return lines and slide the box away from the machine. The black box is now ready for shipping via standard carrier or parcel service. Moving to the front of the machine, we see the vacuum hose attached to the vacuum port and the vac wand and squeegee head. If you haven't done so already, assemble the vac wand by attaching the 2 sections and engaging the locking pin. To attach the squeegee head, insert it into the vac wand collar and tighten it down. You may have to pull out on the squeegee head to ensure that it spins freely in the collar. Next is the dump hose, which is used to empty the dirty water from the vacuum tank into a toilet or appropriate drain. When not being used, keep it attached to the retainer bolt on the top of the machine. Each Kaivac includes an integrated chemical injection system that automatically and precisely dilutes cleaning chemicals. Setting up the chemicals is a very easy process. First, insert one of the draw tubes that came in your case of chemicals into the chemical bottle. Next, select and insert the appropriate metering tip as indicated on the placard or chemical bottle. Make sure the tip snaps snugly into place. Then, attach the chemical feed line to the cap. Finally, screw the cap and hose onto your chemical bottle and you're ready to go. When you're ready to draw chemical for use, just turn the chemical valve to the on position. The compact footprint of the Kaivac 1200 series enables it to be placed on many standard janitor's carts, including those from Rubbermaid and Continental. Mounting a machine on a cart is a simple process. To start, either back the cart against a fixed surface or have a second person hold the cart steadily in place. Next, back the machine up to the front of the cart. Then, from the front of the machine, reach back and grab the handles. Now tip the machine towards you and allow the front wheels to spin into position. Next, wheel the machine towards the cart and then lift and slide the system back into the cart. Kaivac provides an easy-to-install snap system to hold the system in place on the cart. Now that we've completed a walkthrough of your new Kaivac, we recommend reviewing the next video on this disc, which goes over the basic Kaivac no-touch cleaning process for cleaning most surfaces.